Hey dude, just kidding. Just okay. Anyway, hi, it's Ricky here to do a review of these Hey Dudes. I've been really hesitant to buy Hey Dudes as much as I've wanted to. I don't know what my hesitation is. I have seen the advertisements for these and I have loved the designs and styles they have for these. So I figured, you know what, let's just do it. Let's give it a try. I just got this in the mail, so I figured let's unbox it together and see what you get. I just went ahead and decided to get black this time. If I've loved them, you bet I will be going and getting more colors. By the way, these are very lightweight. They feel like very lightweight. I'm actually very shocked. I ended up getting size 8. I noticed they didn't have half sizes. I don't know if that's normal for Hey Dude, so let me know. Hey Dude fans, like, is that normal? So I ended up going with the size 8. I'm usually a 7.5, but we're gonna give it a try. I really wish you could actually feel what these feel like because they're so lightweight. I like how packaged they are. I feel like with this, like a hard piece in there to like make sure that it holds its shape and is safe during shipping, which I really appreciate. Why didn't anyone tell me how light these are and flexible? Like, I'll leave these pieces on, this like little tag. The fit feels more how a 7.5 would fit for me, so I really am glad I went with the 8 instead of the 7. I was kind of hesitant. I wasn't sure if I should go up or down because, like I said, I'm right in the middle. So 8 was a good choice because my toe is like right where it should be. So these are laces if you want to lace them up instead. Wider shoe, so wider this direction, which is great if you do have wider feet. I don't know what I was expecting. I think I was expecting them to be a little bit more tight, but they're very much loose and just comfortable, kind of like lounging shoes, I would say. So maybe if you are just out and about running errands, these would be what you would pick. 5 ounces in weight. I'm gonna wear these all day and I'll be back to let you know what I think. Okay, well, it's been 2 days of wearing these, and I have to say, yes, they definitely are worth it. When I first started wearing them out and about, I wondered if I should have gone with the size 7 instead of the 8 because like I said, I'm run like around a 7.5 usually, but I am glad I went with the 8 because it is supposed to fit like loose and comfortable and light. So these are a great size for me as a 7.5. I'm getting my husband and my son a pair of these because I really think that they would like the design and the comfort of these, but I also plan on getting myself a few other designs or colors in these same shoes. So if you are on the fence about getting these Hey Dudes, don't be, just get yourself a pair.